Assalamualaikum students. How are you? I wish you all are fine. I'm your teacher Sadia. Today it's Wednesday and this accordingly your timetable the subject we are going to study that is social studies and the topic today my school. This is page number 11 on your SST social studies book and its topic is my school. There are an activity for you. They have given you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 blanks in front of you and they ask you to fill in the blanks. Now let me read it for you. The name of my school is Rainbow Foundation High School. You have to write the full name, Rainbow Foundation High School. Next is it has dash classrooms. It has 20 classrooms. It has a big playground. I like my school very much. So these are the words that I have given you. You have to put it in the blanks and you have to complete this work. Let me read it again for you. Rainbow Foundation High School, 20, big, like. The words are already written for you, so you can easily write them in your book page number 11. दिस इज़ योर वर्क फॉर टुडे और आपने ये काम किसी कॉपी पे नहीं करना, ना ही ये कोई वर्कशीट है. दिस इज़ पेज नंबर 11 and the book is SST, Social Studies. Thank you.